All right, well, in this chapter section, 4-5, 4-5, we're proving triangles congruent using either angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side. And this actually comes here from example 2, where we're asked to prove using angle, angle, side. Now, I've already put the flow chart in for the proofs, as well as the diagram that we're going to prove. But I just want to kind of talk our way through this. So first there were two given statements. This was a given that RQ, this line segment RQ, and segment ST are parallel to each other. That was given. And we're also given that RQ is congruent to ST, which we can see from these little congruency hash marks right here. And what we're asked to prove is down here that triangle RUQ is congruent to triangle TUS. Now, if there's actually more than one way that we could prove that these triangles are congruent, but we're asked to do it angle, angle, side, which means that we either got to be doing this angle and this angle, or this angle and this angle, and we've got the vertex here for both of these triangles is U. So we're focusing right there and then angle, angle, side. Well, let's see. If we're looking at RUQ, and I'm right down here, and angle SUT, we're looking at these angles right here. Both of those angles right there, RUQ and SUT. And we can say that those are congruent because they are vertical angles. We got vertical angles are congruent. So here's our vertical angles right here. So these are congruent. And now, so that gives us a side and an angle. And we're doing angle, angle, side. And so let's see. If these two lines, if RQ and ST are parallel, which we are given that they are, and they are being cut by a transversal, let's say that this QS is our transversal, then what could we say about this angle and this angle? Now, I might want to rotate this around a little bit, but those are alternate interior angles, and we know that from parallel lines that alternate interior angles are congruent. So that means that we've got this angle is congruent and this angle is congruent, and now we've got angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Put that in a different color. Angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, proving that the two triangles RUQ and TUS are in fact congruent. You got to read the directions. Again, directions here were to prove using angle, angle, side, which we have done.